Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the print preview is not available in Excel file. So if you want to print an Excel file and you want to preview the result first, you can usually go to the file in here and find the print options, and you can easily see the preview in here. But if you cannot find the preview, or the Excel says that the preview is not available, you can fix it with this. So you can just close the Excel file first, and then after that you can just click on the search column in here and go to the run in here, the run program. After that you can just type in services.msc, this one, and click on OK. Okay, so the services will be open. What you need to do is find the print spooler option. So let's scroll down. This this one's right here. Just right click on it and then click on restart. Just wait until the Windows is finished restarting the service. Now you can just close this, and in here you can just see if the printer problem is fixed. You can go to the control panel, and here you can go to the printer and device and see if it's fixed, and you can try it again. You can open the file and go to the print again and see if the preview is now available. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the